guess we are live on Facebook, so we can start for today's session. Before we start, I would just like to brief all about our today's experts. Welcome everyone who is participating from Zoom and also from Facebook. I welcome every one of you and a very good afternoon for all. Our today's session is about how we can burn our fats during this workout and how it can be useful for our fitness and also for all the youngsters and all the elderly people during this lockdown. Our today's expert is Miss Saili Mali, and she is a internationally certified fitness and yoga trainer, and she also conducts personal training to people around the local areas. So she's doing this since last 4 years, 4 to 5 years. Also, apart from that, she's a dietitian and also a health coach at a very own Just for Hearts. Welcome, Saili, and without wasting much more time for all the participants, I hand over to you and you can start up with the session.
Yes, sure. So, hello everyone. Yes, hello everyone. It's Saili. So, I am a fitness trainer. Today, we are going to do 4 minutes fat burning exercise, a workout. So, it is a basically cardio workout. It is little vigorous. So, you can do it quickly, like in 4 to 5 minutes at your home without having much space, without having much equipments at your home. You can try out this exercise. So whenever we do this exercise, there are some timings and some like limitations to this. People who are suffering from like any joint issue, they have high BP, will avoid doing this. So this is really a little heavy exercise or heavy workout, we can say, because in this we are going to do sets of exercise. So there will be 8 exercises, and they will be done like in 20 seconds. So first exercise will be in 20 seconds, then 10 seconds of rest, and again 20 seconds, 10 seconds of rest. So overall, we do exercise of 160 seconds and 80 seconds of rest. So it completes 4 minutes. So now we are going to, I will show you first the small exercise, and then we will combine it and we will do the 4-minute workout session. So firstly, we will start with jumping jacks. So everyone must be knowing how we will do the jumping jacks. If they are not able to do, I will just show the demo. And also doing this workout, you can wear shoes or you can do it on your mat. Wear some comfortable clothes, and you must be empty stomach before 1 or 2 hours at least, and then you can perform it. And also we will start like it is a beginner form of exercise, beginner 4 minutes workout. So this is a basic thing which I am going to do right now. So you can start doing with me. So firstly we will do jumping jacks. In this, we just have to jump and take our both hands up and down in the same way. So simultaneously your hands will move and your legs will also move. So first in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So this will be our first exercise, that is jumping jack. Second will be heel touch. So what is heel touch? We just have to lie down on the mat like this. Your heels are apart. You are lying down. And then you will, with my counts, you will start 1. You will tap your heel. 1. You will lift your shoulder part and your neck part. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is the heel touch. So now we are going to do boat pose. So that is boat pose is high boat and low boat. So in this, we are going to do, I'll show you in this way. So light will be good. Okay. So in this, we are sitting like this, and from here, we will lift and we will go down, come up. We will go down, come up. We will go down, come up. So this is high boat and low boat. Next is lower plank. So everyone must be knowing the plank. So it is very easy. It is done in different ways. So there is high plank, there is low plank also. So firstly, we are going to do lower plank. So firstly, come in this position, like this. Go down on your hands like this. Bend in your elbows. And then you will take your legs back and your hip down. Okay. So this is lower plank. Every exercise we are going to hold for 20 seconds. Okay. So this was the fourth, and the fifth is mountain climber. So it is very easy. You just have to be again in this pose. Your toes are inside. This is called tabletop pose. From here we will lift our knees and we will tap our opposite elbow. So right will go to left, left will go to right. Like this, come up. 1, 2, 1, 2. You will not go beyond this. You will not go this. You will be here only. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This was mountain climbers. Okay. So now we are going to do tabletop. So same way mountain climbers, tabletop is like this. And we will hold in this. Not so easy. So we have to hold for 20 seconds. Up. Okay. You must be able to see here your gap. Just a little gap, this much of gap. Okay. So all these exercises are very important. These are cardio exercise. So we can do it whenever, like thrice a week we can do this workout. Other days you can just follow your daily routine. Or you can go for walking, cycling or running also. So second last is high knee. Okay. So it is standing. So like this, keep your feet a little apart. Your hands till your hip, like your waist till here. And kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you want to challenge yourself, you can take it higher and you can do it opposite leg, opposite hand, like this. But you will not move your whole body. Okay? So you can go opposite also, which will work on your abs and your side. Okay? So bridge pose. So that is the last thing which is going to relax, which is going to relax your back, your whole body. Okay, so bridge pose. Again, you have to go down like this and lift. If you are able to hold your knees, if you are able to hold your ankle, you can, or else rest your palms like this. Slowly down. So this were the 8 exercises which we are going to combine, and then we are going to do it. So this is very basic, and I have designed it in a way that it will go high, low, high, low, high, low. So firstly I have taken jumping jack, so it will warm up your body. Then I have took a heel touch. So we have to lie down, that much we are relaxed. After that I have taken both. Again a little challenging. Again I have taken a plank. So again little challenging. Mountain climber. So it is just like running we do basically. And after that is a tabletop. So it is very easy. In that also you get calm yourself. So the whole workout works on your overall body, your abs, your arms, your thighs, your legs, your back muscles, overall body. So it is a quick and very effective workout that we can do every day. If you want to lose your weight faster, so you can exchange this exercise with others also. So basically we want 8 exercises in the count of 20, 10 seconds of rest, 20 seconds of exercise, 10 seconds of rest. So complete 160 of exercise and 80 seconds of rest. Okay. So I think we can start with the workout. Yogita, can you play the music first?
Yes, sure. I'll just play the music for all. Just a minute.
So when the music will play, I will also give some instructions. You will follow my instructions. I will say start, 1, 2, 3, start, 1, 2, 3, stop. So the flow we will do together. Okay, the exercise which we have done, we will do it together. Like jumping jacks, heel touch, board pose, I will be going to do with you. So you can see me and you can do with me. You can hear my instruction and you can follow.
Yes, so I'll just start with the music.
Yes. Yes. 3, 2, 1, go! Jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay. Take a break. 10 seconds. Heel touch. 3, 2, 1, go. Do it with me. Stop. Change. Now board pose. Relax. Yes, other. 3, 2, 1, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I am unable to hear the music, Yogita. Lower plank. 3, 2, 1, go! Go down. Do it. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm just unable to hear the music.
Okay, I'll just adjust the. Just a minute.
Yes.
Now it is audible.
Yes. Mountain climber. 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go! Start doing it. Three, 2, 1, stop. Rest. So take a rest, 10 seconds. Tabletop now. Joints. 3, 2, 1, go! Lift your knees up and go. Hold. Hold there. Be there. Stop. Okay. Now other last only 2 are remaining. Good going. Only 2 are remaining now. Knee kick. So we'll stand. Yogita, voice.
Yes, yes.
3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, start. Go, 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 keep going. We have done with it. You must be sweating. That's the good sign. You're doing the workout. You must sweat. Three, two, one, go! Okay. The other bridge pose we will start. Going down. And lift. 3, 2, 1, go! Hold there, hold. Hold, hold, hold. Stop. Okay. You can stop the music, Yogita. So this was the 4-minute fat burning workout, which we have done it right now. And I'm sweating a lot. And you can also try this at your home. So it is very easy. Just the formula is that 20-second exercise, 10 seconds of rest. You can do in 8 exercises. You can include any cardio exercises, 8 if count. So as we did, so take any 8 exercises in a flow, do it 20, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10. So it will become 4 minutes total. Okay. So after this, if you want to do, you can also go with plank. You can do other exercises. So it is normal to do other exercises after this. If you want to drink water or eat something, you can go after half an hour. So wait till half an hour and then you can go for it. So I think so we are done with the workout station. If you want to ask any questions, you can ask surely.
Yes, thank you, Saili, for such a wonderful workout. And I know every one of us are motivated now, and they can do these simple exercises regularly in the house as it is a lockdown period also now. So, yes, we have someone from our participants, Dr. Shakti. So I'll just make her live so that they can ask you the question.
Yes, yes, surely.
Yes.
Surely they can ask.
Hello, Dr.
Yes.
Shakti.
Hello.
Hello, Dr. Shakti. Yes, you can ask the question if you have any question.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Hi, Ms. Sally. I just wanted to
hello.
ask,
Yes.
how many times in a day we can perform this workout?
You
As
can
said
do
in
it
a
morning and evening.
Okay, okay. So 4
Yes.
minutes in morning and 4 minutes in evening.
Yes, perfectly. You can perform it like first you can do a little warm up and then you can start with this exercise because it is
Okay.
really a little cardio, a hard workout. So firstly, you just go with some little warm up and then you can start with the exercise.
Okay. My next question is that, as you said that we should be empty stomach, so can we have a little bit of water intake before starting up or after the
Yes, you
workout
can
is over?
sip. Yes,
So,
you can sip water.
okay.
Just don't drink a lot of water. You can sip 2 to 3 sips, but don't go over that.
Okay, so I have another question regarding we have so many patients around, like as you said, can a heart patient or a patient with high blood pressure or diabetes or any patient who are having drilling or dizziness, can they perform these exercises or
Can
pace manner, or they should continue with the same pace as you did?
no. If they have, as I first only told that if they have heart problem, if they have high BP, if they have they have nausea or anything, any other health issue, severe health issue, they should perform under guidance and they should go with their own pace, like very slowly they can do. They can't go very fast. As in 4 minutes 20 seconds, they can do only 4 to 5 repetitions. That is also okay. Like jumping jacks, they can do 5 jumping jacks. They will not do plank. They will just do the knee, high knee or the step up like that.
Okay, so what should be the number of repetitions of each of the workouts you did? Like it's a 4 minutes,
20
so
seconds I have
what
told.
should be the minimum?
Yes.
Yeah.
20 seconds is there. So in 20 seconds, you can do at your own pace, like on your own level. So it might be 10 rounds, it might be 20 rounds. As your health is
Hello?
giving you the chance to do that. If you are very active, you can go beyond like 20 repetitions or 25 repetitions also. But if you are not able to do, you are little weak, your core is not enough strong to do this exercise, you can do only 10 to 15 also.
Okay.
Have
Thank
any
you
other
so much.
questions?
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, that's it. That's it, Sally. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Shakti, for your question, and
Thank
I
you.
hope that, yeah, thank you. So, yes, Saili, yeah, thank you for such a good explanation and for the questions also. So, yes, for our other participants, I would like to tell you all that we are going to go live on YouTube also at 5 o'clock today in the evening. So, if you have any more questions related to your fitness or any workout schedules or yoga related questions, so you can definitely join us on YouTube today evening at 5 o'clock, and we can answer your questions there also. If otherwise not YouTube, you can also ask your questions to us on the Instagram page of Just for Hearts. So we are available there also, and we can answer your questions there too. So yes, thank you for today's session, Saili, for
Thank you
such,
so much, Yogita.
yes, for such a wonderful workout pattern you have explained us.